Okay, so that is my marigold. I got the name right this time. Okay, the other thing I wanted to talk about today is, have you ever seen this? It is usually in the gardening section around the tomato plants, but it's like a stretchy kind of tape. Not super stretchy, if you can see, but it's like it gives. So I would highly recommend, if you have tomatoes or if you have any viney plants, to get some of this, have it on hand, because I really want to train this to go around the tomato cage.
What is this?
This is snow peas, I believe. We'll see when it starts producing fruit. So I've tied it around a few times to just kind of leave it, but it's not really staying like I want it to. So what I'm going to do is just very loosely tie it. And I'd highly recommend this for tomatoes too, because if you don't, they get mangy and funny. And I learned this from an amazing gardener. Thank you to all of my green thumbs out there that are helping me be a better tower gardener. I really appreciate you. So just kind of like a little loose, like slip knot or bow or something like that, because you don't want to damage the plant, but you want it to stay there. Yeah, I want it to do what I want it to do, not what it wants to do. Darn it, you are my plant. You must do what I tell you.
Done.
Okay, and then the other thing that I also wanted to talk about, we've been doing a test when I first planted. We tested with the rock wool that comes with the tower garden, and then I bought cocoa core, little things like discs, whatever. And so we planted a few of those things in there. And check this out. This doesn't happen to any of the ones that come with the tower garden, but this is the cocoa core. It almost looks like it's molding. So I'm not sure. Verdict so far, I like the rock wool that comes with the tower garden better. It's spun rock. It's like a sponge. The cocoa core is more organic, but it's moldy. So I'm not sure how that's really going to work, if it's going to be long term or if I'm going to end up having to pull the plants out before they mature. So that's the test. So tie it up and have a great Wednesday evening. I'll talk to you soon.